So anyways, eto na, may caller na tayo. Hello?
Hello, Kara.
Sino to? Hoy!
I've been calling here for 30 minutes already.
Who's this po?
And no one is
Stalker
answering my call.
Who you?
Hmm?
Are you my stalker?
No, I'm your friend. I'm Jihab.
Huh?
Who's Jihab? Are you from rehab?
No. I'm Jihab. I'm a friend of Kara. And I'm calling here for almost 30 minutes and no one is answering my call.
Oh, I'm sorry because we just ended a good story on our cell phone. We haven't
Ano?
I just wanna talk to Kara.
Okay, so you are D-Hub from...
Jihab from rehab.
I'm Jihab.
So you're the one texting me, right?
Yes.
Oh my gosh. So you're the stalker and you're the poser.
No. I am not a stalker.
If you're not a stalker, go here.
Okay.
Now.
I'm planning... Not now.
Are you from India?
No. I am from UAE.
UAE.
Yeah.
So what's...
Pilipino ba to? Pilipino ka po ba?
Hindi siya nagtagalog. Pag nag-chat sa akin, English.
Hindi ka takala pa natindihan ako. Pilipino ka po ba? No.
Oo nga, no?
Kara! Ba't naniniwala ka dito?
Wait lang, ipapakita ko siya sa'yo. Kung sino siya. Ang picture niya,
Sabi
ito
ko.
Di na, nakakaloka.
Pilipino po ba kayo?
Dihab.
No.
Dihab,
Hello?
why you don't want to show your face?
I don't know.
Why?
I'm shy to you.
You're shy?
Kasi kung tayo
Pakita ko yung
UAE
mukha
ka,
niya.
ano ang good morning sa UAE?
Hello?
Kung taga UAE ka, anong good morning sa UAE?
Assalamualaikum.
Assalamualaikum ba? Okay, anong good night?
It's the same.
The same?
What is your Instagram account?
I don't have Instagram.
You have.
I just want to talk to you, Kara.
Because you always message me.
You're already talking to Kara.
And you sent me flowers, right?
Yes. I just want to tell you
What? What do you want to tell me?
that I am your biggest fan.
Bago na naman tayo. Okay, so what do you want?
I want you.
Nobody
want you.
I want nobody but you.
Okay.
I appreciate you a lot.
You're always sending me long messages, but you're not showing up.
Ayan, may nangyayari pong ligawan po on air, no? Dihab and Kara.
From
So,
rehab.
It's okay, Dihab, to intervene.
I want to see you personally, but not with somebody else. Or,
Only me?
yes.
Why?
Why?
I don't
want
go
to talk
alone.
to you private.
Private. Why? You're not my boyfriend. I don't want to go
No,
with you.
I'm not your boyfriend, but I am your fan. I appreciate you.
Bakit
a lot.
one on one pati? Kaloka naman to.
Why don't you tell me now?
Because there are so many
Issues.
person listening.
Oh, so many person listening.
Yes.
Okay.
What? Okay, tapusin mo na ito. Sayang oras.
I just text you and text you and text you.
Stop texting me, please.
And send
Why?
more.
Stop chatting. Nakailang block na ako dito. Ayun tumigil.
No, don't block me. I'm not a bad person.
How old are you? Person. How old are you? How old are you?
I'm 42.
So you're single?
Yes. But I have 2 child.
2 child. Hindi ba dapat 2 children?
No.
Niloko tayo nito eh.
It's 2 child, not children.
Uy, kinakabahan ako dito. Baka sundan ako nito ah.
Two
Are you,
No,
are
don't
you
be
here?
afraid.
Around?
I'm a good person. I just want you to know me better.
Okay, so just go here, okay?
First things first, how much is your monthly salary?
What?
What the what?
Magkano ang buwan-buwan ang sahod?
What?
Yung sahod, alam mo yung sahod.
Sahod.
Kunyari pa.
Eto, Sera, pero
sige.
nasabi yung sahod ng buong buo.
Salary, how much? Lloyd is asking you. Salary.
Salary for work?
Yes.
Ah.
Oh,
So,
ano? Magkano?
Is it okay for me to say?
Oo nga, tinatanong ka na nga namin.
Okay. 30.
Okay, fine. What is your
want to text
business?
you.
What is your business?
What?
Business. Anong business mo dito?
I don't have business. I'm employee.
Okay, fine. Mali-mali na yung mga sinasagot niya. Bahala ka dyan.
I just text to you. I hope you text me too.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Assalamualaikum.
Oh, last year pa to, Diyos ko. Araw-araw talaga. Hindi ko kinakaya.
Always your number one. SM radio station.